Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between APR and APY. So a couple of people in the CYT-Crypto Gems group have been asking particularly about Planet Finance, because that's the one I really like just now, and I've spoken about that in previous videos, and I'll link to that for you as well. But particularly asking about the difference between APR and APY. So I just want to do a very quick video just explaining the difference for you. So very quickly, APR stands for annual percentage rate. So when you go for a bank loan, you'll see the APR is something like 7% or 8% or even lower than that. If they're trying to get new customers into the bank, they'll give you a good APR for your loan. So the lower the APR, the better for a bank loan, the less you're going to pay. So mortgages, for example, just now, we've got an APR of about 1.2% up to 3% or something, depending what country you're in. So the lower the better just now. That's why it's good to get a mortgage out just now, because it's never been so low. In the future, mortgages, or in the past, mortgages have been up to 10% APR, and that's not a good time to get a mortgage. So the lower the number for APR, the better. APY, on the other hand, is annual percentage yield. So that really pertains to kind of yield farming. This is what we're talking about Planet Finance as well, yield farming. So if you're getting a higher APY, it means you're going to earn more money on whatever it is you're putting in. So if you're going to put in Aqua tokens and you're getting a high APY, which you do on Planet Finance, you're getting 242% APY, which is huge. That is auto-compounded for you. So it's compounded, and you can take the money that you've earned, or the interest that you've earned, and put it back into the pot. With Planet Finance, it's automatically done for you, so you don't have to take it out and put it in. If we're to go over to PancakeSwap, you can see the difference quite clearly here. So if you're to get some cake tokens and you want to stake them, and they're saying, okay, you're going to get an APR of 58%, which is good, but you're getting an APR of 58%. So if you put $1,000 in, $1,000 worth in, and cake stays the same price throughout the whole year, you're going to get $580 back, which is a really good rate of return compared to a bank, for example. But you'll see here, AutoCake is giving you 77%. So if you put $1,000 worth of cake in and the price never changed for a full year, you're going to get $773 back. Why is that? It's because it's auto-compounding. So the APR is calculated 58%, and if you're getting a daily amount from that as well, what happens is it just stays there. So they're just going to give you the rewards, and your rewards are going to go into one wallet, and your original cake is going to stay in another wallet, so to speak. But with auto compounding, it will take out the interest that you've earned and put it back in to the cake token. So buy more cake for you, so you're getting cake all the time. So it's building up your cake stake, so to speak. That's why there's a difference. So we're going to go over to a calculator, and you can see if we put in a number here, it's going to calculate your APY if you were getting rewards on a daily basis or a monthly basis. So say you're getting, just now, we'll go with PancakeSwap, 58% just now, 58%. You can see the APY is 78%. And you can see that here, 77.32% is the APY for AutoCake. Manual cake, it means you have to go in every day, take it out, buy some cake with it, and put it back in to the staking. And that's how you're going to get the APY of 77%. So it's not good to do manual cake or manual staking. It's always good to do the auto compounding feature, which I've got here. So Planet Finance already got an auto compounding feature. So if we reverse this and say, okay, what's the APR on Aqua if its APY is 242.37%? So we'll do that in a calculator. 242.37, the APR is 123%. That means if you put $1,000 in and the price stays the same for Aqua, you're going to get $1,230 back over the year. So if you don't do anything and you just get an APR of 123.28%, you're going to get that money back over the year. You're going to get $1,238 back for your original $1,000, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. However, if you're taking the daily rewards and auto-compounding it, it's going to make a huge difference, because instead of the $1,230 you're going to get back, you're going to get $2,420 back for your original $1,000. So you can see, you put $1,000 in, And at the end of the year on an APR, you're going to have 2,230 at the end of the year. Original 1,000 and then your APR of 1,230. But if you put in $1,000 and you're auto compounding it, you're going to get $3,420 back at the end of the year. Your original 1,000 plus 2,420. So APY is what you're looking to do, and what and the figure you're looking for when you're looking at yield farming as well. And you can see the APY quite clearly here for Aqua token, 242%. But you'll also see it'll give you a figure for the APR as well. Aqua APR is 123% and the total APY is 242%. So that is the difference between APR and APY, and it's good to know these figures because you really want to look at the APY figure, and the higher the APY, the better. And then one of the other videos we'll be doing, we'll be looking at liquidity pools and looking at how the APY works and how you get these massive numbers, 8,000 or 8,500% for the APY as well. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.